Welcome back, everyone, for another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the UCO Switch 4-in-1 Utensil Set. Now, I was perusing my local Walmart last night, doing a little grocery shopping after work, and I came across this guy. Now, normally, I don't even look at synthetic utensil sets like this. Simply because I prefer metal, that's my thing. But what caught my attention about this guy, I'll let you look at it a little closer here. Let me turn the light on. There we go. Is this, how it can snap together to become longer. So it can go down in dehydrated food bags like Mountain House or even an MRE, you know, main course and stuff like that. I thought it was pretty neat. Plus, you got an integrated knife right here. Okay, give you a look at the back. And what surprised me was the price. I was expecting it to be really pricey. My local Walmart had it for $5.47 before tax. I was kind of blown away by that price, to be honest. I was expecting it to cost a lot more. Now, I did look on Amazon, and on Amazon these are more expensive. They're $7.99 on Amazon. But you're going to get more color choices. In fact, they have 6 colors for these. This is called Camp Green, which you see right there on the UPC. It says Camp Green. But they have all kinds of other colors if that's your thing. I did find these even cheaper at whamkitchen.com. I'll put all those links down in the description on whamkitchen.com. These were $3.29 each. Now that is a deal, my friends. So let me get this out of here. And it comes with this neat little bungee that can help you attach it to your cook kit and help store it, which I thought was pretty neat. There's our bungee. And, nope, there we go. Just pops apart. And to make it longer, yeah, there we go. Does it go like that? Yep. Or, wait a minute. How exactly does that go? Because it doesn't want to go that way, so it's got to go, whoops. I keep dropping it. So I guess it's got to go this way. Oh, there it is. It snaps right in there. Okay, so on one side you have a fork, other side a spoon to get deep down in those pouches. Let me see what kind of length it is when it's put together here. So, looks like 10 3/8 total length, or about 26 centimeters total length. That is not bad. I mean, that's going to reach down in there. Heck yeah. Now, individually, let's look at these. So you have a spoon on one side, a serrated knife blade on the other. I don't imagine that you're going to cut anything really heavy duty with that. But it does feel like it's got a little bit of a tooth to it. Nice size spoon. And then just a fork on the other. So that's your total kit. Now, individually, let's see what these are in length. The fork is about 6 3/4 inches, or a little over 17 centimeters. The spoon is almost 18 centimeters, or just under 6 and, well, a little bit over 6 3/4 inches. I think it's kind of cool how it nests together. I like that. Now these are, according to what I was reading, these are, there it goes, it snaps right together right there. These are dishwasher safe. all that good stuff. BPA phthalate free. And apparently this is food grade nylon is what these are made out of. So, let me get my little scale over here and we're going to see what these weigh in at. It probably doesn't weigh in at it much, but why not check? Alright. Metric first, and that's with the little bungee they give you. 28 grams, 1 ounce. That ain't too shabby. This into my kitchen, and I'm gonna give these a really good cleaning. It's almost lunchtime. My dinner my lunch should be ready to go here in a minute or two. So I'm gonna try these out, eating some lunch, and tell you what I think. Today's dish is chicken Alfredo for lunch, and we're gonna give this utensil set a try. So for pasta, doesn't look like a big problem. Get a piece of chicken here. That works well. The spoon, you know, not a big deal. But let's try the knife blade here and cutting a piece of chicken. Now look at that. I'll cut it right in half. Not a problem. You know? Okay. I'm going to finish my lunch, and then we're going to wrap this up. Lunch was delicious. This worked just fine. I think it's good for what it is. But let's explore a few other things. These holes, these mounting holes where it snaps together, they give you the option of hanging these up if you're using this for camping after you've washed these to let them air dry, which I think is pretty cool. Plus, of course, you got this little bungee here. Well, let's say you wanted to add this to your cook kit. So you put it together, and you stick the bungee through here, right? Here, I got a little cook kit. It's a Stanley, my version of a Stanley cook kit. And I'm just going to bungee it on here. Look at that. And then that whole thing goes in the backpack. That works out pretty good. Well, this isn't just for camping. What about putting it in your lunchbox to take to work? This economy right now, a lot of more people that used to not take a lunch into work are now bringing a lunch in. So we have the Stanley vacuum bottle. This is for food, soup, all that good stuff. I did it in a previous review. What if you didn't like the spork that comes with it? You could take this and add this to the bottle, just like that. And that goes into your bag or your lunchbox, and you take it to work. So, my point is, you have a lot of options with this set. It's inexpensive, and it works. You know, the knife isn't the greatest. It's kind of like having a plastic knife, but it will cut as long as the food is well cooked. That's all I got to say about the UCO Switch 4-in-1 utility set. Buy it, don't buy it, links in the description, and I will see you all later. You, that's right, you watching me. I will see you later. Have a wonderful day.